What's good? What's the deal, y'all? It's Rezzo.
I was supposed to introduce myself.
Yes, Rezzo.
I was supposed to introduce myself.
Okay, and it's Angelique. Welcome.
Hi guys, it's Angel.
What's the deal? It's Rezzo.
And today we're going to be viewing.
What's the deal, y'all? Welcome to a special edition of a review. What's the deal, y'all? It's your boy Rezzo, and this is Angel. We're on her YouTube channel. We're doing a review on flavored smart waters today, and I don't know what you got to say about it.
I saw it and I wanted it, so I got it, and now we're here.
I see it. I like it. I want it. I got it. This water, gee, thanks. It's good. I bought it.
So, I saw this, and there's 4 flavors, and we're going to try all of them.
We have watermelon mint. That's a weird combination right there.
Strawberry blackberry.
We have pineapple kiwi. Oh. And cucumber lime.
And cucumber lime. Who's texting us?
Huh? I ain't gonna lie, bro. I don't even know.
So first we're gonna try cucumber lime.
Yes, that one first.
And it smells like cucumbers more than lime, FYI.
Oh, I just realized my case was broke. Are we giving them ratings? What does that mean? Hold on, don't give it to me. I want to know what it means first.
It tastes more like cucumber.
You'll be the test dummy before I.
It tastes more like cucumber than lime, but it tastes like watered down cucumbers.
You know cucumbers are made of water, right?
Yes, but like, just taste it. I'm not gonna kill you.
Y'all heard what she said, right? Watered down cucumbers. But cucumbers have water in them.
Just do it.
Oh, this is a drink. Okay, I don't really taste the lime.
1 out of 5, I give it a 3.
Give it about a 2.
Next is pineapple kiwi. This one's better.
This one's not bad. It's not that bad.
Stop putting it in the... What do you rate it? 1 out of 5?
I give it a solid 3.
Give it a 3 as well. Strawberry blackberry. Oh, this one doesn't smell good at all. Let me taste it. I don't like blackberry, so I'm not gonna like it.
Y'all see her?
I'm not gonna like
She
it.
don't like nothing black unless it's me.
You can shut up. Oh.
Oh, this is actually not that bad.
Give it like a 1 out of 5.
You can definitely taste the blackberry.
Oh. It tastes like olives.
I think she pregnant again, y'all. 'Cause her taste buds is weird.
It tastes like black olives. Like, it tastes like black olives.
Why did the olives have to be black?
It tastes bad. Don't get it.
So black is bad. Next.
Strawberry mint. Watermelon mint, my bad. This is the one that I wanted to try the most, so...
The watermelon?
Yes. So... I don't know.
So now it's another black joke, right?
No.
Ooh.
You like it? I kind of like it too, but like
This one's the shit, y'all. This
I
one's
kind of
actually.
like it, but I don't like it.
Nah, this one's good.
It is?
This one's good. I like that one. I get at an honest 4.
What?
I'll give it an honest 4.
Oh, I just said a 9 is 4. I was like, what is a 9? Okay. Honestly, I would get them all again except for the black kiwi because the strawberry blackberry. I wouldn't get it because it's disgusting.
What is a black kiwi?
I don't know. But the black strawberry blackberry I would not get again because it is disgusting.
Can you stop saying the word black? I'm getting prejudice energy off of you. So honestly, in all seriousness, I would get these again. They had them on sale at Albertsons if you are living on the West Coast. They have Albertsons, but they have these smart waters on sale for $5.
So, sorry, I look really cute. So anyway, I think that I would probably get them again, except for the one that I don't like.
I would get the watermelon because I'm black.
I would get it because it just tastes good. So.
Just because it tastes good?
Mhm.
You can lick it off of me.
This is a rated PG channel.
We can turn it X-rated. So this review is gonna do it for us today. This lovely young woman right here will be having more reviews, more makeup tutorials, and more Q&As for you guys. Once a week, maybe twice, depending on how much I push her to be her best version of herself. But okay, get out of here. So thank you for joining us today. She's conceited.
I look cute today.
You look cute today? And I like a snack. I like a black snack. Okay, guys, so that'll be it for us today for this YouTube review. We will be having more reaction videos. We will be having makeup tutorials. Well, she will be having makeup tutorials, reaction videos, and me as a special guest. Thank you guys for watching one more time, and you guys have a blessed day.